Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to bring your desktop icons back if they suddenly disappear on Windows. Now let's get started.
So imagine you open your computer and your desktop looks completely empty. No icons, nothing. Yeah, it can feel a bit confusing at first, but don't worry, this is usually super easy to fix. First, go to your desktop, right click on any empty area, then hover over View. Now take a quick look. Do you see Show Desktop Icons? If it's unchecked, just click it, and there you go. Your icon should instantly pop right back into place. But what if it's already checked and you still don't see anything? Alright, let's try another quick fix. Right click on your taskbar and click Task Manager. In the list, right click on Windows Explorer and hit Restart. Give it a couple of seconds, then check your desktop again. Most of the time, this brings everything back to normal. Alright, one more thing while we're here. Let's say your icons are back, but you want to add a new app shortcut to your desktop. Click on the Start menu and find the app you want. Now right click on it, then click Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right click the app again and click on Show More Options. Now go to Send to and click Desktop Create Shortcut. And just like that, you will see the shortcut appear on your desktop. And that's how you fix missing desktop icons and add them back whenever you need.